Mr. Romel Padilla Serrano, of course, to our other curator, JJ. Kasi mas kilala siya as an archaeologist, pero sa amin, JJ lang siya. To the Rotary Club of Makati, Ayala Triangle, Rotaract of Kalilayan, Makati, Ayala Triangle, Heritage Society of the Philippines. I believe there are also representatives from the National Museum, Cultural Center of the Philippines, our other partners from different civil society organizations and interest groups, to the Intramuros Administration, Executive Committee, to our workforce, to our Cultural Properties and Conservation Division, to all our distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, mabuhay and welcome to the historic walled city of Manila. Today, it is with great joy that we gather for the launch of two thoughtfully curated exhibits, each offering a unique perspective on the stories unearthed and the strength and empowerment entwined into Filipina identity. These exhibits invite us to explore both the world beneath our feet and the stories woven in our cultural traditions in celebration of National Women's Month. With the support of our valued heritage partners, Intramuros Administration proudly presents A World Below the Walls, an exhibit that brings to light archaeological artifacts recovered from various excavation sites across Intramuros. These include findings from Maestranza, Plaza San Luis Complex, Baluarte de San Diego, Fort Santiago, and right here at the former site of the San Ignacio Church, Centro de Turismo, Intramuros. Through these remarkable discoveries, we are given a rare opportunity to glimpse the layers of history that lie beneath present-day Intramuros. Each artifact tells a story of lives once lived, of communities that previously thrived, and a city that has endured through time. This exhibit serves as a bridge between the past and the present, a quiet yet powerful reminder that beneath the stones and street we walked on today lies a rich and enduring legacy. It is in many ways both a journey into the past and a window that deepens our understanding of the present. Alongside this, we also unveil another exhibit, Lakambini, ang marikit na pamana ng Barot Side, a vibrant tribute to the elegance, strength, and identity of Filipino womanhood. This exhibit showcases the beauty of traditional attire and adornments that have long symbolized grace, dignity, and cultural pride. Each piece reflects not only artistry and craftsmanship, but also the evolving role of women in shaping our history and society. As we celebrate these exhibits, may we be reminded that heritage is not only preserved in structures and artifacts, but also in the stories we carry, the traditions we honor, and the values we continue to uphold. Whether beneath the ground or woven into fabric, our history lives on, waiting to be rediscovered, appreciated, and most importantly, shared. May this exhibit inspire us to look deeper, to value what has been entrusted to us, and to continue protecting and celebrating our cultural heritage for generations to come. Mabuhay po ang ating kasaysayan at ang yaman ng ating bayang Pilipinas. Mabuhay ang lahat ng kababaihan sa mundo. Mabuhay ang Intramuros at mabuhay po ang bansang Pilipinas. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much.